Hey guys. All right, so we're finally finishing up this reorganizing for the camper, and then we had a brainwave. How about we get these plastic bins to put in here? But it's a fail. Because, no! I'm not tall enough to reach it here, so
this a little bit too tall for the double stack.
It's not gonna work. I thought maybe we could use these for things that we maybe don't access as much, but that just takes up too much space. So I think maybe this is gonna work fine for what it is. Fail.
Well, it's a great idea. Abby found one of these at Walmart, that one over there. They only had the one, which is, that was another thing that was really odd. All the
plastic bins are not available.
Yeah, they're all sold out everywhere you go. Like, everybody's out buying plastic bins. So anyway, we ordered these off Walmart.com. They came in a pack of 4, and it's the 12 by 14 3/8 by 10 1/4.
Yeah.
And
it's a good idea. I mean, I've been using these, you know, for my socks and bras and stuff like that, but it just ends up kind of getting a mess in there. So I wanted to be a little bit more organized, and, you know, I was hoping to add more storage.
Yeah.
It's the idea is great. We measured it.
We measured it, but we didn't think about this though.
Nope. Because even he's not tall enough to reach in there.
So I mean, the one on the top, you can't access it like that, you know. So it's really kind of a pointless storage. But Abby can still stack things on top of this right here.
Yes.
You still have all this room.
Yeah, because these fit fine, and we can put some other things in there. So
absolutely.
It's a fail, but we're gonna make the best of it. It's
not a complete fail.
No, because you know, I had short socks and tall socks separated, so now they're in one bin, and so I think it'll work. I think it'll be fine. Dang.
It's all good.
We're still
gonna have these bins. These will work good, you know. So she'll have my, you know, underwear, socks in one, and then I always stack my pants and shirts like right here in this area here. So it's still gonna work out fine.
I think it's gonna be okay.
Well, are you about done with your reorganizing yet, or your redecorating?
Yes, I'm done. We can show it, but as soon as I finish this.
All right. Well, we're gonna do that. We're gonna finish this up, and she's gonna reveal the rest of the redecorating.
Yep.
So Abby has finished her interior reorganizing and redecorating in here. It's all done. So I'm gonna let her take off and.
Welcome to our Kodiak cabin. It's like a cabin theme in here.
Look how pretty that is. Look at the red and the black check.
So I couldn't part with the buffalo check, but the white did not work. It was just looked dirty all the time. Not a fan of that. So we moved to the red and black buffalo check. Look how cute.
It looks great.
So we got new pillows, new rugs, obviously tablecloth, new bedspread.
Look at the bed.
Look how cute.
Look at the bed.
Okay, so
so the clips are not working too well up there.
These do not stick to the laminate, these little things. These are great, but that's going to be a no-go.
Yep. So the little night light, we're just gonna have to work out a better way to hang those up there. We may even have to use a little screw or something up there in the trim, but anyway. That's
disappointing. But I wanted to point out, we did leave a lot of spaces blank, and this was by his suggestion, because we wanted to fill it with the things that we find on our trip, antiquing or national parks. So we have plans to get some more of these wooden signs from the national parks, because we love them so much, and that's what we want in here for the theme. So we're going to just keep adding them as we go see parks. And so I like the fact that we have some blank spaces. This is another one. I was going to go buy something, and he's like, no, find something on the trip. He's so right. So this is something that we'll add as we go, and I'll be actively searching. This place looks a little sad and bare, so it's going to need something cute. And then obviously right here. So we're going to keep filling it.
We'll be doing some antiques along the way. And,
a lot of antiques.
And Abby finds stores to shop at when we're at different towns. So I told her, I said, I guarantee you're going to find something that you'll like, and you'll buy it, and you'll have,
but,
be able to put it up.
Honestly, like, I remember exactly where we got that, and that's what makes it great. So we love Colorado and all the places we visit. So we're going to do that. We're going to add places that we visit. So, and then obviously we talked about this, but we're going to be adding stickers for this trip. That's going to add a lot of nice coloring here, and I just think it looks really cozy and cabiny. let's make
great.
sure and show them really fast. I know I showed them on Instagram, but we added the funny bathroom signs, so
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I wanted to make sure we showed those.
Abby loves the funnies. So
I do
felt
love
it
them.
was appropriate for the.
So
for
we
the
have
bathroom
another
here.
place right here that I can fill, and then obviously this area right here is nice and blank. So we'll be finding some art for that. So yeah,
And this works really good, by the way, for our hats.
Yes.
You know, we like a few different hats, and
Yes.
so that works out good for there. Another hook that you can just, you know, Abby can hang her purse there.
So every single thing in this entire camper has been taken out and replaced in. This is probably the lightest load that we've ever had on a trip before. We eliminated all the things that we didn't think that we needed. Plus, I'll be buying a lot of things on the trip because that's always how it goes. So, but yeah, I think it looks really nice and cabiny and cozy. Let me point out the lights really fast.
Well, we haven't talked about that yet, so this is new.
We added these lights because when the lights are all off in here and we're just relaxing at night especially, it's so cozy and warm feeling.
Yep.
I just wanted to point out, we started with these, but do not leave them in your slide. They are not meant to come in and out. So
Yep.
if you buy these type of things, make sure you remove them every time. But
Yep.
they are worth the effort because they just look so pretty. We did order some rope lights. I think they're coming from China or something because
They've never.
we have no idea.
I ordered them off Amazon, and they cannot give me a ship date, so I
Right.
guarantee they're not going to be here. But I ordered the rope lights, actually the correct length to cover
Exactly.
all three sides, and I
Exactly.
also bought. Command makes little plastic clips
Yes.
just for rope lights. I got those, and I was planning on sticking those on the back. So there's a gap in here. There's a space. So I was going to put those clips right on the
Yeah.
back of this frame here, and have the rope lights where we could stick it on. But yeah, definitely, Abby is going to put these up every time we
time.
set up,
Yeah.
and then take them down. So don't leave those
Yeah,
in your
no.
slide.
And
But it creates a really nice ambiance.
It does. The mood is so pretty and enjoyable. And again, we're all about making this homey. When you're in your camper, you should be at home. That's exactly the whole point of this. So don't be afraid to use lamps and, you know, other things. I wanted to get a lot of greenery in here just because it just makes me feel happy. And all of it's fake, so I can't kill anything. So that's great. But yeah,
Artificial.
We'll
Not
be
fake.
not fake, artificial. So we'll be filling up the rest of the blank spaces as we go, and I just think that's exciting. So this is it. We're really happy with the changes, and
Yeah, the bed looks good with the colors there.
we won't go into all the organization, but everything really is very organized, and it makes us feel much
Yeah.
better about everything. I know I feel better.
Abby's been working really hard to clean out all of the cabinets, all of
Yeah.
the spaces in here where we have things stored. She's gone through and we've eliminated a lot of the things that we didn't need, a little bit of extra weight, and mostly just trying to get rid of things that we weren't using.
Correct. Things tend to just accumulate in weird ways. Like I had 4 colanders in here, not efficient. So you know, you want to have everything that you need, but you're not gonna. So you just sort of make use with what you have, and
That's a good
fun.
thing to do every once in a while is go through your cabinets and your drawers and just kind of reorganize them and make best of the room that you have.
And I'm sure that we've mentioned this several times if you've been watching all the videos, but every single thing in here has been hung up by these little command hooks.
Yeah, and they work great.
Or the command
The
Velcro.
command Velcros, yeah,
Because we
for the-
wanted everything to be removable, but also think about the fact that things are going to sway and move as you go. And so even the simple things that you don't think are going to move around will. So everything has been battened down so they don't,
Yep.
bang and hit.
All of the
and-
pictures, these are all Velcro.
Yep.
Velcro strips holding them on, and they're nice and rigid too. They're
Yeah.
not going anywhere.
But yeah, this looks really homey. I'm really happy with the red and the changes. And
Well, it looks great, babe. You did a great job. The colors look really good in here. I really do like the red.
I am ready to go.
She
I'm
is
tired of
definitely-
waiting.
I hear that every day.
I keep trying to talk him into leaving early. We have
So
too many
the-
things to do before, but
We've got a little bit more time. We're finishing up some of the last details. I have been reorganizing the front cargo box and I have a bag. It's a toolkit that I keep on there, and I've had that for 2 years, and there's just a bunch of junk in there. So I've been going through that, cleaning out that toolbox, and making sure that I don't have a bunch of extra things that I'm not going to need or use. So I'm reorganizing that. I'm also reorganizing the barbecue kit that's on the back of the Kodiak here. You know, we've got a cargo carrier, and I've got 3 plastic bins that I keep cookware in, a couple pieces of cast iron, and then charcoal in. But the cookware, I was going through that. I've got a bunch of stuff in there, and I was eliminating the things that we just aren't using.
Yeah.
So I'm still working on that, but that'll be ready here pretty soon. And I didn't show anything as far as the toolbox goes. But I think later on when we're on the road, I'll probably talk a little bit more in depth about, say, the barbecue kit, and I'd also like to share the toolbox as well. Just having a few little essentials on board in case you need to do a repair or something, you know, whenever you're on the road. So
we also added something cute outside.
yeah, we got something outside to share with you, so let's go outside and check that out now.
Right?
Check it out.
Look how cute that looks.
Look how awesome that is.
Yep.
We decided to go ahead and put the channel art on the Kodiak here, kind of help promote our channels.
Exactly.
And Abby did all of this artwork. I mean, she made the files to send to the print shop that we used, and they printed them out, used some of the 3M.
Yep.
I forget what the material is, but it's
exactly.
UV resistant, so it should stay nice and shiny for a long time. And they put them on there as well. So this is an idea we've had for a while, but we finally just implemented it. And we thought, what better time to do it than on the big haul?
That's exactly right.
You know, this is like free advertising right
so
here.
So yeah,
really.
if you guys see us on the road, give us a wave.
Give us a wave. Yep.
But yeah,
then, so we've got them on the side here too. So this side, this is kind of the, you know, when you're driving down the interstate, most people go by this side right here. So we thought this was a good place to put some channel art right there. And we'll walk around and show you the rest of it.
Yeah, we didn't want it to be too obnoxious, you know? I mean, we just wanted it to be kind of simple, but at least get our names out there, so.
There they are on the front. Those look good. Not too loud and obnoxious.
No, I don't think so.
But I think it's great because, you know, when you're at the campgrounds, the people are walking by, they see the front of it right there, so it's a great way to promote it at the campgrounds.
That, and I think they always have questions because our setup is always so kind of grand, especially for cooking.
Yep.
So people are always like, what are these people doing? They're recording everything they're doing. But yeah, this one's a cute little one. And we, again, you know, every time that we do something, we just didn't want it to be in your face. So it's just a simple little sticker.
We thought this was a good place for this.
Yeah.
We thought about, we were going to add another one up there in that section, but after looking at it, because Abby kind of printed out a picture with the camper on it, and we thought that it was a little bit too much having it there, maybe a little bit redundant having it there and here as well. So I think this is good. This keeps the side of the Kodiak looking, you know, normal.
Yeah.
And I think it's going to be great for videos, but we're really excited about having those additions on there and be able to promote our channels while we're driving down the interstate or wherever we're going.
Yep.
The back roads, in the campgrounds, at the parks, everywhere we're going.
Can we leave? Let's just go. Let's go ahead and leave.
We're ready to get out of here. We actually have like 1 week left that we have to get through. We got to finish our work. We got business to tend to. We got to get all of our jobs done, and then finish the few little fine details that left for the Kodiak here. And then we will be heading out of here. And I know Abby can't wait.
Deliveries coming still.
Yep.
Some stuff.
You have to time your orders so that you make sure they come in before you actually leave on your trip.
Yep.
But we're really excited to hit the road. I plan on doing the vlog series just like I did last year on the big haul. I attempt to tighten up the editing and make my job at putting a video together very simple and as quickly as possible.
But still enjoyable.
But still enjoyable, and I think people enjoy most of the videos that we put out there. The other thing that we encounter when we're traveling like that, trying to upload videos, is Wi-Fi. Depending on people's Wi-Fi is really difficult because we go to a lot of campgrounds, and most of them, they have Wi-Fi, but most of them are basically useless though. Like you try to, I mean, even on your phone, trying to just, you know, get onto a social media page, it won't load. So Sometimes we go to campgrounds and we have good Wi-Fi, and that's when I try to upload videos. And when we have it, I try to upload as many as I can in that time frame.
But if we don't have one, that is the reason why. But
Yep.
make sure you follow us on Instagram for Abom Adventures, because we try to post a lot of stuff on there, just, you know, before the videos come out and what we're doing that day and that kind of thing. So
Exactly.
So get on there and follow that.
Instagram is a great place to share with your audience up to the date.
Yeah.
So, you know, if we're doing something that day, we like to show a few pictures up there of what we're doing. The videos obviously come later because I have to download them, edit them, and then upload them. Usually uploading them is the biggest hurdle with sharing these adventure videos with you guys when we're on the road.
Yeah.
So one of the things that I did to try to help combat that, I'm with Verizon, and I went down there and bought a 5G hotspot device. And I also upped the plan. They just released a new plan where you can get up to 150 gig of data upload, which was unbelievable because when I started out, it was 15 gig and I couldn't even get one video uploaded before it ran out. So I don't know if it's gonna help or not, but we really hope that it will. So I have this extra tool on hand that if we're in a place that doesn't have good Wi-Fi, but maybe we have good cell signal.
Yeah, we're really gonna test this one out.
Yeah, we'll be able to hopefully have that to you know, help keep the videos uploaded. But if there is a lag and delay during the trip where you're not seeing a video right away, it's because I can't get a video uploaded. So I always get them up as soon as I can.
Also, don't forget, you have the Abom barbecue on Instagram as well. So if you're interested in the cooking part of this, there's going to be a lot of that kind of stuff going up there too.
Check it out on Instagram, Abom Barbecue. It's another place that I like to share my cooking pictures and videos with my audience out there. It's just a place that I can freely share those without hearing a bunch of people complaining about, you know, how many pictures of food that I'm sharing with everybody.
And we have had a couple questions. We try to answer as many as we can about if we're going to announce where we're going. No, we are not. We kind of like to keep it a surprise, and you know, we want you to enjoy where we're going, but you know, we're also kind of private, and we want to keep it that way. And but we hope you guys enjoy. And if you want to see something, let us know. Yeah, absolutely. Abby's right there. We have people that request us to publish all the places we're going. We don't want to do that. We like to kind of keep that as a surprise. We'd be able to go there, enjoy our time, get some video of the trip, and then make a video and share it with you guys. Yep. So I'm ready to go. Can we please leave? Abby's ready to go. So we're going to finish getting everything ready, and hopefully we will see you guys on the road very soon. Going to some really exciting We got places. Some great places that we're going to. Wait. We got some more national parks that we're going to go to. I think some national monuments we're going to see, and a lot of new places that I have never been to before. I'm excited. We will see you guys very soon on the road, and hopefully you're going to continue watching the adventure on the new big haul coming up. Yeah.